Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef, and welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. Today, I'm doing bacon fried rice. Now, being that this is Cast Iron Wednesday, Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking is also going to be making the same thing, her version. Mine is going to be a Towboat version. So, I will post a link either this side or this side, one of these sides, and at the end I will post another link on my end screen to her page of the one she's doing. So when you're done watching, watch hers. You never know. We both could be the same and we don't even know it. We haven't shared any recipes, so we're going to both see the difference, if there's any. Alright, let me show you all the ingredients. One moment. This being Cast Iron Wednesday, gotta have a skillet, or pot, or Dutch oven. One or the other. Well, I'm using a skillet. I did 6 slices of bacon, sliced up. I did a small onion. Normally I would do green onions. Being Towboat style, when I don't have what I need, I get the next best thing. Fortunately, I was out of the green onions. I'll be using 2.5 cups of the minute rice. Now the rest of it is going to be for the person that can't have bacon. So, I know, right? Who doesn't like bacon? It's not that you can't have it, you don't like it. And I'm going to have ginger and soy sauce. So, let's get started here. As usual, I forgot one more item. 4 eggs. Okay, now we'll start it. Okay, first thing I do is get this on here. Guess what? I know I'm cooking some bacon, but you can never have too much bacon grease when you're, especially because the rice will soak it up. So I add just a tad bit more, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Yes, I do reuse my bacon grease. I'm old-fashioned that way. Get this in here. Should be sizzling here in a minute. Now, I tried this video last week, getting ready to publish it or to edit it, and the most crucial part of the whole video was corrupted. Oh my God. We were supposed to post this 3 weeks ago. By the time you see this, it'll be 3 weeks ago. Get that all fried up. Get it semi-crispy, and then we're going to put it in the next step. So, I'll be back as soon as this is semi-crispy. Right. Okay, it's semi-crispy. Let me show you. And we're going to add the the onions next. The next few processes is real. This is where I corrupted the video. I had a corrupted video. The next few process is kind of fast. You saute these onions just right into it till they start getting a little bit of a sheen to it. Smell that onion and bacon. Oh, I love it. Who here likes onion and bacon sandwiches? Alright. Push everything off to the side. And here comes the fun part. this fast. I know there's an easier method, and I bet you it has to do with break them into a bowl first, right? I didn't think of that now. I always think of that as the last step. Start mixing the eggs with the onions and bacon. Now you want them kind of soft, because the next step is going to be adding the rice. Just let you know, I'm doing a Chinese meal tonight of sweet and sour chicken. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to start adding the rice. Let me show you what it looks like. See how soft it is? I gotta hurry before it overcooks. You want it to also stick to the rice. Here we go. Alright. Then you add your ginger. I would say probably about this size, about a teaspoon and a half. And then you start coating it with soy sauce. Oh, can you hear it start bubbling into it? Then stir it up. Now this is where you need a spoon for that. You grab everything and put it together. This don't take long at all. If you like fried rice, this is the quickest way to do it. And it tastes so good. I'll show you here in a second, because we're almost done. I'm also stir frying vegetables over there, just starting to heat up. And I put the harder items down first, which is the carrots, green peppers, red peppers, onion, the softer vegetables on top. So I stir it in. Guess what, folks? We're done here. Let me just make sure. Yep. Now I'll show you what it looks like. Don't that look good? It is perfect. I'll be right back. Here's the bacon fried rice, that darn sun glare there. Okay. Here's my stir-fried vegetables. I have zucchini, squash, broccoli, carrots, red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And here is the sweet and sour chicken. Yes, I will do a video on this, but I'm waiting till I can go live, because I want you all to see what kind of mess it makes to make this. No, and it's I would say it's a good hour and a half. So we'll have a nice live chat while I'm doing all this. So, alright. And of course, there's the rice. Guess what? Supper is ready. Be right back. I also forgot to show you my homemade sweet and sour sauce. And trust me, it's good. So, like I said, I will be definitely doing videos on this next time I do the sweet and sour chicken. But I may do like small videos on how these things are made. Alright, be right back. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. Now, when you're done watching this video, go to at the end of the video will be another link to Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. If you're unable to click on any of these links I provided, go down in the description and I will provide her link there as well. So I'm curious to know how she's doing, because when I'm done with this, I'm going over there. So, alright. You all have been great and wonderful in supporting this channel. I also have a playlist of cast iron cooking that would be on one side or the other here too. So go ahead and click on that. You'll see a bunch of Dutch oven cast iron cooking, outdoor cast iron cooking, indoor cast iron cooking, and the recipes these people come up with are great and wonderful. We need smell-o-vision. So I will put some of their links down below as well. But check out the playlist. You might be interested in, just scroll down, click on the ones that you think you might be interested in. All right, you have a great and wonderful day. And again, thank you for coming to watching this channel. Bye-bye now.